Now, this is the diagram of the posterior view of the palatine bone. This hole is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the orbital surface of the palatine bone. Here is the orbital process of the palatine bone. Here, see, this is the orbital surface of the palatine bone. This is the orbital process of the palatine bone. This hole is the lateral surface of the palatine bone. If here inside here it will be the medial surface of the palatine bone. This is the sphenoidal process of the palatine bone. This is the sphenoidal process of the palatine bone. Between this orbital process and the sphenoidal process is the sphenopalatine notch, and this is the perpendicular. As I said before, this hole is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. Now this hole is the pyramidal process of the palatine bone. Okay. Now this is the posterior nasal spine, and here it gives attachment to the musculus uvulae. Now we shall see the bone. The bone. This is the horizontal. Should I show? This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone, lateral aspect. This is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone, medial aspect. You can see the conical crest here. This is the conical crest. This is the medial surface of the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the upper part. Now this is the orbital surface of the palatine bone. This one is the sphenoidal process of the palatine bone, and you are seeing this notch, this C-shaped notch is the sphenopalatine notch. This is the sphenopalatine notch. This is the sphenoidal process, as I said before. This is the orbital process. This is the conical. This is the pyramidal process of the palatine bone. Here you will be able to see the greater palatine foramen and the lesser palatine. Here you will be able to see the greater and lesser palatine foramen. Now this is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the anterior border of the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the medial border of the horizontal plate of palatine bone, and this is the posterior border of the horizontal plate of the palatine bone. And here will be the lateral border of the horizontal plate of palatine bone, which is continuing as the perpendicular plate of the palatine bone. Okay, again a review. This hole is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This hole is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. Here we are able to see the conical crest. These are the conical crest. Here anteriorly, this anterior border, it articulates with the maxilla, and the posteriorly it articulates with the sphenoid bone. And this, as I said before, this is the orbital surface. This is the sphenoidal surface. This is the sphenopalatine notch, and this is the pyramidal process. This hole is the pyramidal process. This is the palatine bone of the left side. Thanks for watching.